Have you ever found yourself staring at your Robinhood account, wondering how to turn that buying power into cold, hard cash? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to withdraw your Robinhood buying power, step by step. So, what is buying power in the first place? Essentially, it's the amount of money you can use to buy stocks, options, or other investments without borrowing. It's like a credit line, but for your investments. Now, why would you want to withdraw your buying power? Maybe you need the money for a big purchase, or perhaps you're simply ready to cash out your gains. Whatever your reason, we've got you covered. Log into your Robinhood account. The first step is obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Make sure you're logged into your Robinhood account using your username and password. Navigate to the Portfolio tab. Once you're logged in, look for the Portfolio tab. This is where you'll find all your investments, including your buying power. Check your buying power. Locate your buying power. It should be displayed prominently on your portfolio page. Choose a withdrawal method. Robinhood offers a few different ways to withdraw your funds. You can choose to transfer the money to your bank account, or you can request a check. Initiate the withdrawal. Select the withdrawal method you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to provide your bank account information or mailing address. Confirm your withdrawal. Double-check all the details before confirming your withdrawal. Once you confirm, the withdrawal process will begin. Wait for the funds to arrive. The time it takes for your funds to arrive depends on the withdrawal method you chose. Bank transfers typically take a few business days, while checks can take longer. Additional tips. Check for fees. Some withdrawal methods may incur fees. Be sure to check Robinhood's fee schedule to avoid any surprises. Consider tax implications. Withdrawing your buying power may have tax implications. It's a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. Security best practices. Always prioritize security when withdrawing funds. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. And there you have it. That's how to withdraw your Robinhood buying power. By following these simple steps, you can easily access your funds and use them as you see fit. Remember, it's important to be mindful of fees, tax implications, and security best practices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.